Welcome to the step-by-step guide on configuring ChatGenie as your primary receiver on your Facebook page. Follow these instructions to integrate ChatGenie into your messaging system. Start by logging into your Facebook page. Navigate to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Upon redirection to a new page, locate and access New Pages experience. Click on Advanced Messaging. Within the app settings handover protocol, select Configure for Messenger. Click on Select. Choose ChatGenie ERP. For Instagram, repeat the process. Click Configure and select ChatGenie ERP. Congratulations on successfully setting up ChatGenie as the primary receiver on your Facebook page. With this configuration, ChatGenie will efficiently manage and respond to incoming messages, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. We invite you to explore our website and follow us at chatgenie.ph for the most recent updates and discussions.